Hi, welcome to another tutorial. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to use Bluetooth technology in Delphi applications. I think this is one of the fascinating tutorial because you'll learn how to connect Android and Windows desktop applications through Bluetooth technology. So let's get started. Bluetooth in Delphi apps. So we got Runtime Library or RTL. The RTL provides classes to implement Bluetooth support in your applications. When your application is running on a Bluetooth-enabled device, your application can use the Bluetooth capabilities of the device to connect to applications in remote devices. And you can exchange data with those remote applications. The Bluetooth core specification defines, since version 4.0, different types of Bluetooth protocols, such as Bluetooth Low Energy. The original Bluetooth protocol is known as Classic Bluetooth. The Classic Bluetooth provides a much higher transfer rate than the Bluetooth Low Energy, at the cost of a higher energy consumption. Why Classic Bluetooth? Because it is useful for applications with data streaming. Data transfer rate of Classic Bluetooth is 2 megabits. That's why the Classic Bluetooth uses high power. The Classic Bluetooth technology bases on the standard Bluetooth profiles like SPP, DUN, and PAN. The protocol is limited to 7 slaves. So what are the benefits of the Bluetooth Low Energy? It has large number of slaves and very low power of consumption, but its data transfer rate only 100 kilobits. So, before your application can connect to a remote application using Classic Bluetooth, the device is running each application must be paired with each other using Bluetooth. So on most platforms, you can request your user to make the device that is running your application discoverable. You can call tBluetooth.startDiscoverable to start a request and handle the tBluetooth.onDiscoverableEnd event. OnDiscoverableEnd occurs if your user accepts to make the device discoverable. You can only request to make a device discoverable for a certain amount of time, with limits in some platforms. If that time passes and you have not yet performed the discovery and pairing steps below, you might need to request to make the device discoverable again. So once your application obtains a list of remote devices, you can start a pairing request with any of those devices. Then the device that is running your application is paired with remote devices. You can connect to your application running on the remote device using Classic Bluetooth. Once you have an instance of tBluetooth socket and it is connected to the remote application, either as a client or as a server, you can send or receive any data from the remote application as an array of bytes. To send and receive data from the remote application, you can use tBluetoothSocket.sendData and tBluetoothSocket.readData respectively. So here is the demo application. As you can see, we got tab control and 2 tab items. First one is Bluetooth settings and service demo. The Bluetooth settings tab provides options for discovering, pairing, or unpairing devices and displaying services available on the paired device. The service demo tab item provides both server and a client functionality for a simple text service. So here we can start text service as a server. You can open the event here. So we are checking the button open reading socket is preset. We are checking the server connection th for nil and manager connected. So here we got T-server connection th. It's inherited from T-thread. And we got F-server socket instance from tBluetooth server socket. And F-socket from tBluetooth socket here. And execute, we're overriding it, and create and destroy. So another one is manager connected. You can open here. It's a function. And here we are checking the connection state of FBluetooth manager. Here, tBluetooth connection state.connected. And Here we are showing the device discoverable as and a Bluetooth manager and a current adapter and the adapter name. Else, we can show no Bluetooth device found on the memo. Then here we got send data procedure. The send data converts the text in the edit1 component into bytes and sends them to the device you selected from the list of paired devices. So if the client socket instance is nil, send data calls create client socket. If the socket creation fails, send data displays an alert like here, out of time. If you didn't select a device from the list of paired devices, send data displays an alert like no paired devices selected. Else, here we got send data successfully sends the text and it displays a message text sent in the display R component. You can open design here. So here you can see send text. Here we are checking the manage connected, send data, and exceptions. We can open the Bluetooth settings tab. And here we got discover devices, paired devices, any services, pair, unpair buttons. Here we can check the manager connected and assigning the fBluetooth manager.current adapter to fAdapter. And here we got starting the discovery, and in the pair we are using fAdapter.pair and fDiscover devices. It has index here, we are using index, and in the paired devices we are calling the paired devices procedure, this one. If manager connected true, we can assign fBluetooth manager get paired devices to the fpaired devices instance. And if paired devices count higher than 0, then we can iterate all of the device names. Else, we can show no paired devices message. So here we got another button, unpair. So as you can see, we are using fAdapter.unpair function to unpairing. And in the services, you can get all of the services from a device. So here we got get service name function. This get service name accepts a Bluetooth service GUID as a parameter and returns the name of the corresponding Bluetooth services. So now you can run these applications. So here we got Windows app, and on the right side we got Android application. So first of all, we have to turn on the Bluetooth on our devices. So we can open the settings. So we can search for Bluetooth and we can turn on this Bluetooth here. Okay. Now here we got enable it on our Android device. So here we can add, so select it and Bluetooth. So here I got my device and it's connecting now. Click the OK and connect. So now we can click the discover devices, select this, and we can get to all of the services. Paired device, we have to select Coffee Guru. So okay, it's connected. Now we can open the service demo. Here we can start text service and we can send it. Here we got text sent message, and here we got I am the text sent. You can write another text here, for example, Embarcadero Delphi sent. Here this message is received. Okay, so this is the end of this section. You have learned how to use app tethering and Bluetooth technologies in your Delphi applications. So in the coming section, we will learn about Delphi best practices.